In this video,
we will learn how to fix FiveM connection error fail. In FiveM, in order to fix the connection error, all you need to do is firstly clear up the FiveM cache file. In order to do that, press the Windows plus R button. In here, you need to type in app data, then hit enter. After that, you need to head into the local folder. From here, you need to find the FiveM folder. You can just press the F button on your keyboard to find it. After that, go into it, go into the FiveM application data, go inside data. From here, all you need to do is head into each of these cache files and delete these files from here. After you have done that, you can just go back to the FiveM application data folder. From here, you need to head inside the logs folder, open it, just select every file from here and the same, just delete them. After that is done, you can also allow FiveM to go through your firewall, and in order to do that, go into the search panel of your Windows. In here, type firewall, then click on open. After that, click on allow an app through firewall. In here, firstly you need to select the change settings option. After that, scroll down into the F section and try to find FiveM in here. If you cannot find it, you can just add FiveM exe file in here from this button. So after setting the FiveM exe file, just click on add, and FiveM should be in here. Now just allow both of the public and private network to run on FiveM and click on OK. After that is done, close it. You can also try and change your DNS settings. So in order to do that, head to the bottom right hand side of your Windows. From here, right click on the network icon, then head into the network and internet settings. In here, go to Ethernet or Wi-Fi, whatever you're using. Then under the DNS server assignment, click on the edit button. From here, under the scroll down menu, select the manual tab, then select on. From here, we will set the DNS of Google, so which will be 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. After that is saved, we will just click on the save button and our DNS will be changed. So after applying these changes, our connection error in FiveM should be resolved and we can enjoy the game again as we please. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.